Nowadays, music plays an important role in our lives. Most of us are literally music junkies at this point. But have you ever wondered how exactly it affects our minds? Here are a few ways in which music influences our life. Mood enhancement. Have you ever noticed how a particular song can instantly make you feel happy and excited? This is because upbeat rhythms, catchy melodies, and vibrant harmonies can trigger a release of dopamine, a hormone associated with reward and motivation in the brain. But did you know that even sad music can have its benefits? Research suggests that listening to sad music can actually help individuals to understand and manage their emotions, resulting in a feeling of relief and comfort. Enhanced concentration and focus. Isn't it easier to concentrate on a task when there is instrumental music playing in the background? Certain types of music, particularly instrumental or ambient genres, can enhance our ability to maintain focus. The steady and consistent sound of such music creates a masking effect, reducing external distractions and enabling us to stay engaged with the task at hand. Rhythm and movement. You know how difficult it is to resist dancing or tapping your feet when a catchy beat comes on? That's because music with a strong beat activates the motor areas of our brain, prompting us to move and groove. Engaging in physical activity, whether it's dancing or exercising, releases endorphins, those delightful chemicals that boost our energy levels and enhance motivation. So, the next time you're feeling sluggish or lacking motivation, crank up the volume and let your dancing beast out. Association and memory. Do you have a certain song that can instantly transport you back to a specific moment in your life? You know which one I'm talking about. Music has a unique way of triggering memories and emotions. When we listen to music that reminds us of positive memories, it can significantly motivate us to engage in activities related to those experiences. For example, if you associate a particular song with a successful workout session, listening to that song before exercising can motivate you to perform better. Inspiration and self-expression. Lyrics and melodies of songs often convey powerful messages and stories that resonate with us on a deeper level. Inspirational songs can ignite a sense of determination, reminding us of our goals, aspirations, and inner strength. They have the ability to motivate us during challenging times. Additionally, music provides an avenue for self-expression. Through songwriting, singing, or playing an instrument, individuals can connect with their emotions and find motivation through artistic outlets. It's essential to explore and find the genres, artists, or songs that resonate with you personally to maximize the motivational benefits of music. So turn this music up and go out there, exercise, set goals. Wait, should you set goals? I'm confused. I think this video might help me figure it out. I'm gonna go watch it then. See ya.